Hai guys, gimana kabarnya? Semoga semuanya dalam keadaan sehat dan dalam lindungan Tuhan Yang Maha Esa. Di video kali ini akan membahas tentang para musisi dunia yang bereaksi fingerstyle Indonesia Mas Alipbata. Oke, langsung saja kita lihat keseruannya di tayangan berikut ini. Silakan dinikmati.
That's why I cannot drink coffee. I was thinking about maybe tomorrow I should react to this song, but I was really curious to see how he wants to play Toxicity by a guitar. I'm so curious because I love this band and I love this song. Always fascinated by his courage, the way he wants to always challenge himself, the different genre, the different song he chooses for covering. And without further ado, let's jump through the video. If you're new to his channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. The tempo of the song, his cover song, is slower than the original one. Oh my god. Guys, I'm as excited as hell. It's the first time even I can hear his voice in any of the video. He never tried to sing any part or just singing along the melody with the guitar. I don't know, it's really unique, his cover this time about this song. Even he add lots of new things to the original song. I'm not really familiar with it, but it's insane. I'm sure if the member of the band really watch this cover, they're gonna really be shocked and really want to maybe see this guy. He is a real prodigy. Let's come back again. I really love that artificial sound once again. He is the real maestro. How he just with moving the guitar so well and he can make this artificial sound. It is amazing. Wow.
Software version 7.0, looking at life through the eyes of a tiger.
I didn't expect that he's going to sing the song.
It's just a pastime activity. With toxicity, ever city, yeah. secret, silent and sea. Somewhere between the secret and silent and sea. Disorder, disorder, disorder.
He totally changed the vibe of the song. It's like a melancholy atmosphere to the song. By this version, I feel the sadness and really, I don't know, some weird feeling for the first time after listening to the song. I couldn't believe that. I love the way he can cover every song and make the melody and all the harmony on his brain and show it with the guitar, but as a new version and cover the song. I always repeat this, and I'm always fascinated by this performing once again. Wow.
Just a pastime activity, cause toxicity, ever city, ever city. Yeah, why on the one? How do you want disorder? Now, somewhere between that secret, silent and sleep. Somewhere between the secret and silence and sleep. Disorder, disorder, disorder.
I didn't expect that. Honestly, I didn't expect that. For sure, for somebody on his skill, this song, it was like a piece of cake for him. I mean, the way he just performed it, most of the chords and not really complex performance, but it has a real soul of the song inside of it, and I like it. The first time I could hear his voice, and the first time I see another different feeling of the cover song of this Toxicity original song. It's really different from other covers, and I love the way he has this courage to come and just completely change the atmosphere, but is still successful and with the knowledge. I was really waiting for that part. Of course, but on the guitar, he need a drum to make that part happen. By the way, I'm so thankful for you to watching me one more time, and see you in another video. Goodbye.